Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add the second floor already. We started adding the walls and then all the furnitures. Now we're going to continue working on this. For now, I'm just going to space out this one properly. This one is good, and this one we just need to space it good enough. And we just need to move this one to the corner right there. And here I'm gonna pull this back a little because we need to align this. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that and see how it is connected with the underlay on. So I'm going to put in the underlay right there, and I believe the best thing is to align it here. And then here we should align it at the top right here from below so that everything is not overlapping, and as you can see, everything looks good. So now we're gonna put it back to none, and then we could add in our floor. So let's go and click on floor, edit, duplicate. This will be number 4, and the thickness, let's maintain that. The material, let's duplicate this and then click apply, OK, and then OK. And here what we're gonna use is pick line. We're going to pick the lines, usually going from the inside. And actually here we just need to delete this because we're actually going around here. And then also on this side we're going to go around this part. So SL on this so that we could trim and extend. I'm doing it right now so that we don't get confused on which one we need to remove. So basically we need to go around here, and then we need right here as well. Pick line again, going around here up to here. So we just need to trim and extend on there, and then we could actually just connect this one and then trim this one right here. I think that's good enough. And then click on finish. Let's look at what we need to trim, and looks like it's right here. Click finish. If we check it, it will look like that. And then what we could do is we could apply the material. So we could go to modify, and we could use mahogany. There we go. So now we have mahogany here, and then mahogany also on this side. And then the bottom are white. So we set it up as gypsum wallboard. And then if you notice, we have this stuff right here. We need to cover this, and then we need to have a glass right here so that we have a natural light coming in. And then here, what we need to do when you have this situation is you need to, for this part, if we push it down, what will happen is it will have a gap here. So that's the issue that we have if we're gonna do that. So we could do that right now, but we need to change this one. So the way it is cornered, so we need to change it to wall joint, and we need to put next. There we go. So it changed. Now it will be on this side and this side. So now we just need to fix this. You need to select here, or select the wall, attach top base, and select there. So now after that, we just need to push this one down. So now nothing is overlapping there. You have the same situation on this side, but it's not something that we need to worry about. And then here, what we need to do is we need to push it down, and actually we will add a window here. So we're gonna add a window here and window on all of this, and then probably another window on this side but going on this way, and I want a window right here. Also, we could extend one of the windows right here. The reason for that is I just want a consistent look on this. So what we could do is select here, cut geometry, select the wall, and then the curtain wall. So make sure you select the curtain wall. So it's saying it's overlapping, and then fix it. So now it looks like that. And then here we could put in the glass as well, only on this side. And then here we could maximize this as well, but only on this side. I want it to be the whole wall, so I'm gonna undo that and just add a curtain wall on the second floor. CS, and then maybe here as well. I'm pushing it back a little bit because I don't want it to be looking too much like that. There we go. And then cut geometry. And then here we need to fix it a little bit. because it's just all over. And this one, I don't like that it's showing there, but good enough for me. Now, knowing that we're going to have a parapet, I'm just setting it up so that it's not too high, not too low. So I'm just aligning it so that everything has a consistent height. And then here we could just add in mullion as well. Base offset around 200. AL, so that it's consistent with the height there. And then here, I think that's good enough. Maybe I'm just going to push this one back to the height that it has before. The reason for that is if we're going to be consistent, let's just consistent on all of them. And then let's just copy this one right here. And then cut geometry. What we can also do instead of here is just cut this. This is already exterior wall. Yeah, why might as well just cut this part. It should be much better. So SL TR and then TR here. Then it's like more open. We don't need to put anything anymore. I think that's much better. And then at the same time, let's add in the roof. So I'm gonna use level 2 so that I could guide it around here, and then we're going to set it up afterwards. So click on roof, edit type, duplicate, and then roof number 1, edit, thickness 200, and then here maybe another gypsum wallboard. I just like the white first, and then we're going to paint it afterwards. So I just want that idea. Here you need to uncheck define slope, and this is important. Make sure it's level 3. You need to pick line and go around again, going with the exterior wall. Go around there, and don't worry about that. Here we need to include this side, and then now we need to clean up, trim and extend here, unjoin, TR again here, trim and extend here, and then here. Connect this one right here, and also on this side, and then click on finish. If you see it, it will be placed on the top, and then here you just need to Don't select anything, but just move your cursor on one of the exterior wall, click on tab, and then select. And then now it's selecting all exterior wall, and what you need to do is create a top offset of 400. So that's how we create the parapet, and we need to trim and extend there. Not sure why it's not connecting. TR. So I'm just going to fix this one a little bit. Trim and extend first. And then here, just connect them. So now it's fixed. Everything is happy. And here, I'm just going to add another material here. Usually asphalt shingles. So I'm just looking for the asphalt shingles right here, and I'm gonna add it there. So I'm happy with that. Then now, before we finish, I want to add the windows. So let's go and select this one, curtain wall, CS, and then let's add curtain wall on this side. You want to make sure that it's going inside of the exterior world. We're going to add especially right here, because we will have a better view, a glass view of this side, and then we will add space bar to change orientation going inside, and then also adding right here. And then go to modify, cut geometry, and then we have washroom on this side that we could also add, but only on the top. Cut geometry, and then let's just pull this one up like so. And then here we could also add in a glass as well. And then we need to close that off. And click on cut geometry. We can also add, we're not gonna add it here because we have shelving there, so that's gonna be good enough. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.